Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are enjoying my videos. Uh, till now I have made the videos for science subjects for class 10th, but soon I am going to prepare the video for the math subjects also for class 10. So start our today's learning with Let's Learn. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is a chemical reaction and equation. Okay, in our previous lecture, I studied about the chemical reaction, chemical equation, how to balance the equation. Okay, and our today's topic is the types of chemical reaction. Okay, so let's see the types of chemical reaction. Our first reaction is a combination reaction. What is the word meaning of the combination? Combination means to join, to combine. Okay, so let's see the definition of the combination reaction. The combination reaction is in which two or more reactant combine to one compound. That means what is a reactant? Reactant, the substance that takes part in the reaction. Okay, so in which the two or more reactant combine and form the new compound is a combination reaction. Let's see the general form of the combination reaction. The general form is A plus B equals to AB. That means here A and B are the reactant. They combine and form the new compound is AB. Okay. Let's see the examples. The first example is the burning of coal. When carbon burn in the presence of the oxygen O2 gas and form the carbon dioxide. Next example, formation of water. When the H2 atom combine with the O2 to form the H2O, water. Okay. The next example is formation of sodium chloride. When the sodium atom combine with the chlorine atom to form the sodium chloride. Let's see the diagram here. The formation of the sodium chloride. This is a sodium atom. It's very reactive metal. This is silver white in color. Combined with the chlorine, that is a greenish yellow color, and form the sodium chloride is a common salt. It's okay, and it is a white in color. It's clear. What is our next reaction? The decomposition reaction. The word meaning of the decomposition? Decomposition means the breakdown into the smaller substance. Breakdown into the smaller substance is a decomposition. What is the definition? The reaction in which a compound breaks down into the two or more simpler substance. The reaction in which compound breaks down into the two or more simpler substance is a decomposition reaction. Here, the most decomposition reactions require an input of the energy in form of heat, in form of light, and in form of electricity. That means here the three types of the decomposition reaction. First is when the decomposition reaction occurs in the presence of the heat. Okay, then it's a thermal decomposition. It's clear. Then the decomposition occurs in the presence of the light is a photochemical decomposition, and when the decomposition occurs in the presence of the electricity is a electrolytic decomposition. These are the three types of the decomposition reaction. What is the general form? The general reaction is AB. AB is a compound, and the AB breaks down into the A substance and B substance. Okay. Here three examples of the decomposition reaction. First, electrolysis of water. That means the water, when we supply the electric current through the water, then it's break down the H2 and O2. Both are the gases. Okay. Next, decomposition of the carbonate. Calcium carbonate breaks down into the CaO, calcium oxide, and the CO2, carbon dioxide. Third example, decomposition of carbonic acid. H2CO3 breaks down into the water, H2O, and the CO2, carbon dioxide. Let's see the process of the electrolysis. You can see here, this is a beaker and the water in the beaker, and the electric supply with the help of the battery. So O2, that means the oxygen gas, rises in this test tube that is connect with the plus terminal, and the H2 gas rises into the this other test tube that is connected to the minus terminal. Okay, so this process is a electrolytic of the water. Okay, electrolysis of water. The next type of the reaction is a displacement reaction. Displacement, that means the where one atom displaces the, that means the more reactive atom displaces the less reactive, is a displacement. Let's see the definition. The displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive elements from its compound. Okay, is a displacement. Here both metals and non-metals takes part in the displacement reaction. Let's see the general form. AB is a compound, react with the C is the other atom and form the compound BC. Here the substance, here the atom B displace the A and form the BC. Okay, and form the compound with the C atom. Okay, this is a displacement reaction. The example of the displacement reaction, the reaction of the iron nail with the copper sulfate. You can see here in this diagram, copper sulfate solution that is a blue in color, okay, and react with the iron and form the green solution, that is a ferrous sulfate solution. You can see clearly in the next picture. Just before this, let's see the some examples. This is a copper sulfate react with the iron and form the ferrous sulfate, iron sulfate solution, and copper displace. The next example, AgNO3 react with the copper and form the copper nitrate, CuNO3, and displace the Ag. And this is the other example. FeSO4 iron sulfate react with the zinc and displace the iron and form the solution zinc sulfate. Okay, this is a clear diagram. This is a copper sulfate solution that is blue in color, react with the iron nail, iron Fe. Okay, after some time you can see here the color of the iron is a gray color, brown color. Okay, that means this is a in this reaction the copper displace and the solution, you can see the greenish color of the iron sulfate. So iron sulfate solution form in this reaction and the copper displace. Understand? So next reaction is a double displacement reaction. What is a double displacement? That means here the mutual exchanging. Let's see the definition. The reaction in which the new compounds are formed by the mutual exchange of the ion. That means the exchange of the, you can see the general reaction to understand easily. Here AB is a compound react with the CD compound. Just okay, AB compound react with the CD compound. So A displace the B and react with the D and form the AD. You can see here AD compound. Okay, and B displace the A and combine with the C and form the BC compound. Okay, the examples here, two examples of the double displacement reaction. Barium chloride plus Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. Here barium displace the chlorine and react with the sulfate. Okay, barium react with the sulfate and form the barium sulfate, and sodium displace the sulfate and sodium react with the chlorine and form the sodium chloride. And in the next example, PbNO3 react with the potassium iodide. okay, and form the KNO3, potassium nitrate and PbI2. Okay, so I hope you understand this all types of the reactions. This is a just diagram of the double displacement reaction, red color, blue color, yellow color and green color. Okay, so this is a compound of the red and blue here, and react with the yellow and green color compound. Okay, so red color combine with the green color and displace the blue color, and yellow color react with the blue color and displace the green color and form the yellow blue combination and the red green combination. Okay, I hope you understand the video. If you any doubt or any problem, you can comment in the comment section box. Thank you.